the trees. Your name still rides upon the breeze. The leaves fall slow, like memories glow. When autumn whispers, I still know. A quiet bench, the park's grown old, where once our laughter's warmth was told. The fading sun, the amber skies hold all the love behind our eyes. When autumn whispers through the trees, your name still rides upon the breeze. The world turns gray, but hearts still stay. When autumn whispers, you're not far away. Seasons change, yet I remain, listening for your voice again. Every leaf that drifts from high tells me love will never die. When autumn whispers through my soul, I feel the part that you made whole. Though time may fade, I still believe